So at Zimmer and Peacock, we have lots of collaborations with academics, or with academia rather. We also have collaboration with industrial partners. We provide technical support. So in many ways, we need to see essentially people's electrochemical data, because it's either a formal collaboration or it's a technical support. But we have a system called Djuli. Now, Djuli is the world's only scientific cloud database where you can upload and analyze electrochemical data. And you can do that from many sources of data. And what I mean by that is many brands of, let's say, potentiostats, for example. So in this instance, we have a great collaborator, and what they've done is they've created what's called, first of all, they've created a Djuli account, and then they've created what's called a cluster, and within clusters they've created projects. So what this collaborator is doing is they're forming a biosensor. If you're used to any of our videos on YouTube, you'll see that when we're making biosensors, specifically in the case of immunosensors, we often characterize immunosensors by a series of cyclovoltammograms. And so what this collaborator has done is they've essentially characterized some ZP gold screen printed electrodes by a series of cyclovoltammetry going from sort of essentially from pristine, and every time they, when I say pristine I mean bare gold, and every time they layer down gold, layer down a layer, the CV gets distorted. And so they were able to follow their fabrication process through a series of CVs. Now they wanted us to sort of validate that everything was looking good, and therefore we said, open up a Djuli account, create a cluster, under there then upload your fabrication data, and you can share that cluster with ZP, and essentially our scientists can go in there and have a look at it. So I want to back up slightly now and and then say that not only have they formed or uploaded their CV data, they want to then analyze the data, and they've been using EIS, for example. And so they've been able to create a series of reports where they've uploaded their their electrochemical impedance spectroscopy data. And so I can see also that online. So what I want to say in this video is this: if you're a academic or collaborator with Zimmer and Peacock, then we would ask you through this video to create a Djuli account, because it will allow you to upload data and share data with us. If you're a biosensor or screen printed electrode client of Zimmer and Peacock and you need us to look at your data to help with some troubleshooting, we'll also ask you to create a Djuli account and upload your data. And so, yeah, Djuli is the portal by which Zimmer and Peacock can receive data from you, and then we can essentially analyze it together in the cloud. Okay, thanks very much.